I was in the mood for some Pinot Noir. All right, welcome back to Drinking It In. I'm your host, Chris Casara, and we are here to help you know more and drink better. And I guess I decided that I was in the mood for some Pinot Noir. We're going to do a little bit of a Pinot Noir deep dive on a bunch of bottles that we pulled out of the cellar. I've got two Ken Wright wines from 2014 and a Sojourn Vineyards Pinot Noir from 2013. Two of my absolute favorites, always. And these guys all are from single vineyards. So, it'll be interesting to compare, I guess, the Sojourn to these, being that they're different years, but it'll be interesting to compare these two wines, which are from different highly regarded vineyards in Oregon, and see what, see how similar or different they are. I think we're going to start with Ken Wright. Start with 2014, work our way back to the older one. I didn't necessarily give that a ton of thought beforehand. Poor planning. I also have some remnants of another red wine in this glass, so let's rinse that out. Okay. The wines from Ken Wright in 2014 were really light in color, really light in color. You can probably even see it in the in pouring the wines. But I can definitely see my fingers through the wine. You can even see the tail. You can see some of the marble grain in the table through the wine. So really, really light. Okay, so this guy on your right is the Abbott Claim Vineyard. The guy on your left is the Shea Vineyard. I need more room. So in 2014 Pinot Noirs here. They're both from the Yamhill-Carlton area, right? Abbott Claim and Shea Vineyards, two incredibly well-regarded vineyards. 2014, great weather across the board. Really good, just really good vintage up in Oregon. So there are definitely some differences in the nose on these guys. This one, the Abbott Claim almost has a little more of a vegetal note to it, almost like tomatoes. Whereas the Shea Vineyard is much more fruit, much more like cherries, what you typically get out of Pinot Noir, some like that nice cherry note. Tangy cherries though. And let me get back to this one because I got to give you more than tomatoes. No, but it almost smells like a condiment, that has actually, it's not. You know what it smells like? Son of a bitch. It's pickles. It smells like dill pickles. This is fascinating. Okay. Dill pickles. It finally clicked in my mind. I said vegetable, I said tomato, vinegar, dill pickles. Unmistakable. This is all fruit. All right, well, I don't know what to do. I'm going to taste this one first because this one's making me a little nervous. Let's go here. Yeah. So, it's got some creamy notes to it. I think on the original Pinot Noir episode, we did another Shea Vineyard Pinot from St. Innocent Vineyard. The Shea Vineyard, just gold. If you ever see it on a label, it'll cost you, but it's gold. So this is really nice. So this is like a creamy cherry note, creamy cherries with a little with a touch of spice. So a touch of, I'm going to call it nutmeg. All right. So I guess we said, are we going to have a different experience? You know, two vineyards very close to each other, same producer. So far the experience is very different because lots of fruit, dill pickles. Let's see what this tastes like. Oh my God, it's so pickle. It's Vlasic pickles. It's not even dill pickles, it's Vlasic pickles. Doesn't taste like pickles. That's so wild that, like, and that's the thing about wine that I think just keeps me completely engaged. You can come up and smell the Vlasic dill pickle jar with the freaking, you know, stork on it, and the wine tastes stunningly beautiful. It's like a clean cherry. There's some minerality here. It's good. They're really good. Okay. Huh. We're going to put these aside. Good efforts. Really good efforts. Very unique experience. I still can't get over how dill pickle this is. Okay. That's fucking weird. Sorry, I'll bleep that out. All right, so now let's go to Sojourn. I'm just gonna do a little rinse on this guy too. So this is, so Sojourn is a producer in the Sonoma Valley of California. This is the 2013 Pinot Noir from their Rodgers Creek Vineyard. You know, they do amazing Pinot Noirs. Sometimes my favorite is just their Sonoma Coast Pinot Noir, which is a blend of a bunch of the vineyards, Rodgers Creek usually included. But in this case, again, because we had single vineyards here, I wanted to do a single vineyard from the year before in California and see, just kind of interested in the experience here too. So this is a darker nose. It's almost, the fruit is kind of away from the cherries and more in the I'm going to call it plums and black, it could be black cherries if you think about it that way. And here I'm getting that distinct cola note, right, that can come through on Pinot Noir. This almost has a little bit of a Dr. Pepper smell to it. It's dark. There's this is really nice, really well balanced. So it's dark cherries, some creaminess, a little smokiness. I've been getting smoke notes in a lot of wines lately. Another winner from my friends at Sojourn. Yeah, there's some spice elements in here too, like a star anise, cinnamon, like those types of warm fall spices. So, wow, this is now I'm stumbling. I'm done. So 3 very different experiences. Dill pickles that evolve somehow into a beautiful red wine. Fruity, lively Pinot, and then something a little more dark and mysterious. All winners. They're all probably in the this is probably in the $40 range. These things are usually a little more. So hopefully you get a chance to try wines from Ken Wright or Sojourn, or both. Put them side by side. It'll be a fun experience, and I'll see you more. We're going to do some more deep dives on this wine. I'm not letting you off the hook. See you soon. Cheers.
Oh. Aye, aye, Captain, you got it.
And if they want to drink Merlot, we're drinking Merlot.
No, if anybody orders Merlot, I'm leaving. I am not drinking any fucking Merlot!
Okay, relax, Miles. Jesus, no Merlot.